Policing the dock area, an excellent opportunity to explore the intricacies of maritime law.
Not today, Chase. We're just here to escort a shipment from the government over to Doc's lab.
Score, bro. New tech for the taking. How about a little sound wave distraction? Yeah.
Hang on, Mr. Buddy.
Cease and desist your larceny. Chief, you seem to be experiencing fluid leakage.
Nothing to worry about. I've just caught a little bug.
Shall I roll down my window so you may release it?
That cop car's running a little sluggish. Bet it needs oil.
A routine patrol with 4 bats and chases. He's later awoke in the strangest of places. Earth was their home now, and in addition, Optimus Prime gave them this mission. Learn from the humans, serve and protect. Live in their world, earn their respect. Family of heroes will be your allies. Robots in disguise. Rescue bots, roll to the rescue. Heroes indeed. Rescue bots, roll to the rescue. Rescue bots.
Nice driving.
I do not understand, Chief. Perhaps if you could say it and not spray it.
Tech thievery, juvenile pranks. Looks like our old friends Evan and Miles are back on Griffin Rock. We'd better... Get me home.
Dad's sick with the flu. No rescues for him for a while.
Ooh, there is an upside. With Dad out of commission, the next oldest Burns, namely me, assumes command.
Great.
I second Cody's sarcasm.
What does it mean to be sick with the flu?
I got sick the first time I flew.
Perhaps this handbook on human illness will enlighten us. Flu symptoms include exhaustion, fever, and a running nose.
A runny nose? They can't even walk. Can they?
In other words, a sick human is less productive.
On the contrary, Chief was quite productive, of a substance known as mucus. I collected a sample if you would like to see.
Ew, humans.
No thanks, Chase.
What's wrong with you?
I'll take a look.
Attention, team! Got our first emergency with me in charge. Ruptured gas line downtown.
Rescue bots, roll to the rescue!
Huh? I wanted to say that.
Hi, Cade. I figured since Dad's out sick, I could ride with Chase. That way you'll have a full team and...
Sorry, Squirt, but to ride on this rescue, you need to be this tall. Oh, too slow.
Just because I'm not big doesn't mean I can't help.
Actually, it does. A rescue like this takes size and strength. I tell you what, we'll arm wrestle for it.
Deal.
Why are we wasting time with games? We have an emergency.
2 seconds, Heat. Ready? Set. Oh my gosh, he's getting me. Oh, hi. Oh, no, he's not. You lose. All right, listen up. Heat wave, you... Put out those fires. Good. Chase, set up barricades.
as per standard procedure.
Graham and Boulder, you're on gas main repair.
Kate, you don't have to try to be Dad. We know what we're doing.
If that was true, you'd know I want a 2-mile perimeter clear pedestrians right now.
Copy that, Captain Cranky Pants.
Cranky Pants. Good one.
Gas fire. You need
I
to...
know. Power up and energize. So what's your assignment?
Duh, I'm the leader.
Cody, you're just in time to help us assemble the stasis machine.
Or attempt to. Chief informed me that thieves absconded with part of the shipment.
What's a stasis machine do? If it works right, nothing.
Precisely. Stasis is the absence of activity. This device is designed to freeze an object in time and space.
Like the pause button on a DVR.
In a manner of speaking, think of the stasis machine as a molecular refrigerator. Aging stops for objects exposed to its ray. Imagine the possibilities. With this technology, bananas could stay ripe for years and years. And someday, through the science of stasis, humans might no longer grow old.
An extended lifetime of eating ancient bananas? Yum.
There does seem to be a part missing.
The remote is powered up. Cody, you all right?
Yeah, fine.
I'm not so sure about that.
Whoa, that machine shrunk you guys.
On the contrary.
You, might want to...
Fascinating.
Weird.
Noble.
Dad? That's not stasis.
Quite right. It's only half of stasis. This machine appears to have 2 parts. One that ages and one that reverses aging. When complete, these 2 forces balance each other, creating stasis.
So this is what I'll look like someday. How old do you think I am now, Doc? 25, 30? And how tall? Like 6 feet?
Ow! Closer to 6'2".
What do you think of my stash?
Looks like a moldy caterpillar. Dad, you have to change him back.
Would that I could, my young Tesla. I suspect the stolen piece of this machine could reverse Cody's, growth spurt.
So, as long as the tech's missing, Cody's stuck like that?
Is this awesome or what?
Perhaps not. If I could invert the polarity.
No hurry.
Yes, hurry!
Oh, I can't wait for Kate to see me now. Being bigger rules. Oh!
Gravity has a few rules of its own.
This thing's for kids anyhow. See ya.
Alt, interloper.
Relax, Chase. It's me, Cody.
Identification confirmed. However, your appearance and tonal transmissions have changed drastically.
Not to mention my bedtime.
Cody, what happened? You have a lip warmer like Chief.
I believe it is called a sneeze guard, or in some jargons, a crumb catcher.
Was that inside your nose the whole time?
Forget the mustache, guys. Look at me. Bigger, stronger. I've turned into an adult.
Yeah, transform into a truck, then we'll talk.
Come on. Haven't you bots ever wished you were taller?
I have enough difficulty with low overpasses as it is.
Cody, when you're our size, a few extra human feet doesn't make much of a difference.
It's more than height. Now I'm an official grown-up.
Wait. Does this mean no more lad pioneers?
No need. Adults get to have real adventures.
Grown-up Cody. This could take some getting used to.
Guess who? Cody, grow up.
He already did?
Yeah, what?
Incredible. As long as it's temporary. It is temporary, right?
Not sure. What? Hey! This is where you guys have been hiding the leftover Halloween candy?
You look older than us.
Ha! I know.
Yeah.
Ooh, too slow.
Oh, nice. You've gone from Pip Squeak to Pip Freak.
I've gone from being smaller than you to being taller than you.
Emergency dispatch. We're on our way. A rocket crashed downtown. Just another Saturday in Griffin Rock.
Rescue bots, get your tailpipes in gear. We have a situation.
I'll ride with Chase. And you can't say I'm not big enough this time.
That was your rule, Cade.
Technically, you could even argue that Cody appears to be the oldest, making him team leader.
Tell you what, I'll arm wrestle you for it.
Oh, real mature.
Chase, is this awesome or what?
It is a new experience. Your selection of music is much more dissonant than Chief's. I fail to understand why increased body mass inspires such joy.
You don't get it because you've never been small. Being big means you get to do more cool stuff.
Such as?
Such as beating Cade to a mission. Can I try parking?
Certainly. First, check your blind spot. Then...
Huh. What took you?
That can't be government issue.
It's a Mr. Cullen issue. Amateur astronomer. Looks like his latest launch didn't.
Those pulls are about to give. We need to move the rocket now.
There are 200 pounds of fuel in its tank. If we jostle the payload, it could ignite.
An unchecked explosion that size could cause a lot of damage.
Blades and I can snag the rocket with a grapple and carry it out to the ocean. Problem solved.
Good. Danny, you go.
No! It's tangled. If you pull on it, the power lines might spark and boom!
Well, do you have a better idea?
Yes! First we shut off the juice to the lines, then we move the rocket.
That's what I would suggest. Okay, Cody, the power switch is located at the top of those poles.
Heatwave, may I please use your ladder?
Oh, now he's not only taking charge, he's ordering around my bot.
More like asking politely. You should try it sometime.
I'll do it, Cade. I'm not sure you're tall enough to reach.
You may be a fireman, but I think you just got burned.
We're ready for you, Blades.
No, we're ready. You're going to clear a perimeter and get those looky-loos a safe distance away.
But
You don't like the job, go home.
Oh. All right, everyone, I need you to step back for your safety, and you have to listen to me because I'm an adult. Really.
I've never seen you in town before. Are you part of the Bruns family, too?
Haley, it's me, Cole, Cade's cousin. Filling in for my chief, while he's out with the flu.
Well, it's nice of you to lend Cade a hand.
Huh.
Danny, hurry! The rocket's fuel tank is separating from the fuselage.
We're losing it!
Incoming! Take cover!
You saved my life.
Ew. Haley, are you...
I'm fine, thanks to Cole. You never told me about your cousin, Cade. Where have you been hiding him?
In much smaller clothes.
Can I take you to lunch?
I don't need anybody to take me. I can drive.
You're funny.
I know, isn't he? Will you excuse us? Go home. You may look all grown up, but you're still just a kid. You don't belong here.
You're just mad because you can't push me around anymore.
Care to test that theory?
I am not certain Chief would condone this course of action.
I'm all for power struggles, after we finish the task at hand.
Come on, Chase. Cade can handle this without us.
I kind of miss the old Cody. The young Cody.
Hey, Frankie, want to hang out?
I can't. I'm still helping Dad.
This is test banana number 17. I clearly need to recalculate my data. You go, Frankie. Have fun. You're only young once. So to speak.
Yeah.
Oh! Denied! Ooh!
Ah! I'm craving ya!
That's great. Look, I ought to go back and check on Dad. Thanks for coming over. See you later.
Excuse me, shall I join you in your toss the orb through the ring contest?
No, you're way bigger than me. Wouldn't be much fun.
Perhaps that is what Francine was feeling as well.
Oh, great. Cade thinks I'm a big kid, and Frankie doesn't want to hang out with a grown-up. I just want to go back to normal.
Okay, check it out. We find a way in, nab the rest of that stasis machine, and we're golden. Cops can't catch you if they're frozen in place. Uh-huh.
Halt, perpetrators!
Seriously? Do you not have a robot donut shop to be at? Looks like we found that way in. Another Burns kid? How big is that family?
Better question. How many friends do they have? Here, Trex, intruders!
Come in, rescue team. Chase and I are tailing Evan and Miles. Request backup.
Yeah, listen, Cole. I don't care what size you are, you're still a kid. You don't get to request anything.
I'm chasing the thieves who have the machine that'll change me back to normal.
On our way.
We ditched him, bro!
Are you familiar with the human known as Miranda?
Chase, look out!
Yeah! Once we hijack the ferry to the mainland, we're home free.
Joyride's over!
Time for a field test. Chill. We'll lose him on foot.
Where's Cade? Is he hit? Is it bad?
Yes, but somehow very fitting.
Go on, say something. You know you want to.
I know how you feel, Cade.
How am I supposed to explain this to Haley?
I thought you said she likes kids.
Heatwave, Chase. Go around to the back of the warehouses. Cade and I will flush out Evan and Miles.
You sure you want me along?
So you lost some height. You still have all your emergency response training, right?
Doy.
Then you're a part of this team.
Here, don't want to hurt your widow head.
Oh, Cody! Can I borrow some clothes?
Ow!
Here, bro. Maybe you need this more than me.
Oh, 6'2" has disadvantages.
Hope you brought your baby blankie.
You're messing with the wrong family, punk.
What's the squirt think he's gonna do?
Who you calling Squirt?
Dave! No!
This way! Yeah!
Welcome aboard the Jail Cell Express, fellas.
Can we dunk them in the ocean first?
Blades?
Just their feet?
Look, Code, I might act like a jerk to you sometimes, but it's only because...
He wants to protect you.
And the reason you act like a jerk to me is?
Tradition.
I should have the stasis machine fully operational within the hour.
Best 3 out of 4.
Fever's broken and I'm finally feeling like myself again. I think I'll go back to bed. Find anything?
Not in this fog.
Sir, driftwood could easily be mistaken for a sea monster. Perhaps that is what the captain saw.
But this driftwood apparently circled the ferry on 3 separate days. Keep looking.
Unless it comes right up to the boat and knocks, I don't think...
Would someone care to answer that?
Ice? But it's not even winter.
Over there! Iceberg!
Iceberg!
A routine patrol with 4 bots and stasis. He's later awoke in the strangest of places. Earth was their home now, and in addition, Optimus Prime gave them this mission. Learn from the humans, serve and protect. Live in their world, earn their respect. A family of heroes will be your allies. To others remain robots in disguise. Roll to the rescue. Heroes indeed. Roll to the rescue. With Cody to guide them and show them the way. Rescue bots will be safe in the day. Roll to the rescue.
Police bot! Push us away from that ice!
Sea monsters and warm weather icebergs? Dad, something moved on top.
You certain, son?
Kinda looked like a person.
No.
Excellent aim, sir. Though I am puzzled as to what was gained by throwing away your comm unit.
If someone is stranded on that hunk of glacier, Danny and Blades can track the signal right to them.
We must be getting close.
Speaking of close, how about we fly at a higher altitude?
Higher? Alert the media.
Well, it's a known fact that sea monsters like to pull low-flying helicopters right out of the air.
Did you just make that up?
It could happen.
Iceberg, dead ahead. Here's Dad's comlink. Well, if anyone was here, they're gone now.
What's that?
Blades, the de-icing foam.
Question? If no one is here, Why are we?
Where's your spirit of adventure, Blades?
I keep it back at the firehouse.
It's some sort of control panel.
Cody didn't really just push that.
Blades, are you okay?
Say something!
No more pushing random buttons.
Sorry.
What kind of iceberg is this?
It's not an iceberg. It's a ship covered in ice. Let's look around.
Excuse me, but exploring ghost ships requires the whole rescue team. And the Navy. And I'd give Optimus a call too!
Huh. Here's the ship's log. It says we're on the SS Isolde.
Cody, call this into Dad. I'll search for any passengers.
The Isolde?
And it doesn't look like anyone's been inside here for years.
Probably because that freighter was lost in 1966.
You know something about it, Dad?
The Isolde was used to transport experimental tech to Griffin Rock.
So what happened?
The captain and crew had to abandon ship after certain cargo became unstable.
It says here the captain was Zachary Burns. Great-grandpa?
Yep. He never talked about it. But whatever happened on board really spooked him. So finish the search and hightail it off of there.
Is this your great-grandfather, Cody?
I'm not sure. I've never seen a picture of him. But if it is, I bet my dad would love to have this. He and his grandpa were really close.
Hey guys, didn't find anyone on board, but wanna bet that's what's causing the deep freeze?
Because someone left the power switch on?
Blades! Hold on, you'll be all right.
No more pushing random toggle switches either.
Can you fly?
Try and stop me.
Cody, let's move it.
According to Doc Green, lab records from 1966 show most of the Isolde's cargo was top secret. Except for this. The Sub-Zero Expander.
Divert your eyes, Blades. Think warm thoughts.
It says here it was intended to restore melting polar caps by generating fresh ice.
Too bad their Sub-Zero doohickey was a foul ball. Thing's obviously a hazard.
We can't just leave something like that drifting around where people might run into it again. I say we blow it up. Huh?
Figures it would take explosives to make you two agree.
But we can't destroy Great-Grandpa's ship.
And not recovering that old tech would be a missed opportunity.
As much as saving the Isolde would mean to me, I'm with the bomb squad on this one. We leave in 5.
We're going back out there?
Some of us. Sorry, son. You've had enough thrills and chills for one day.
Aww.
Rescue bots, roll to the rescue!
Captain's log, May 25th, 1966. Rough seas. First mate reports a crate is broken open. As a result, the device inside has activated, awaiting instructions from the Griffin Rock lab.
Power up and energize!
10 minutes, team. Then boom goes the dynamite.
Wait! Something's moving in the water! And I think it's alive!
Sea monster.
Whatever it is, it's gonna get caught in the blast.
We have barely 2 minutes.
Blades!
It might be prudent to move everyone behind us, sir.
Wait! That's no shark!
Chief Burns, you and your ham-fisted robots are trespassing.
Dr. Morocco!
That's 2 mysteries solved. The sea monster and the iceberg man.
You have a lot of nerve showing up here, Morocco. There's still a warrant out for your arrest.
Pish-posh. The mayor and I patched things up as soon as I returned his missing schooner.
What did you mean by we're trespassing?
Finders keepers.
Like that'll hold up in court.
Unfortunately, it will. Naval salvage laws say that whoever finds an abandoned ship
gets to claim it and its cargo. Signed by your mayor this very morning. The SS Isolde and everything on board belongs to yours truly.
I'm calling the mayor now, Dad.
Dr. Morocco, some of that cargo is really unstable.
Seriously, do you not see the ice?
Such concern does warm the heart. That said, I demand that you cease interfering with my salvage operation.
Dad, the mayor confirmed it. The Isolde belongs to Dr. Morocco.
All right, team. We've done all we can here.
Unbelievable. Final log entry. We've received instructions from the Griffin Rock lab to abandon ship. Dad, listen to Captain Burns' final log entry. Any attempt to move the damaged Sub-Zero expander will likely cause it to explode. And flash freeze everything within 5 miles. That's why Great Grandpa never went back for it.
Morocco putting only himself in danger is one thing. Cody, check for any other craft in the area.
The ferry! Captain Shaw, turn around. You have to change course.
Attention all passengers! Please take shelter in your cars immediately!
And welcome to Griffin Rock. Doctor, you need to evacuate now!
Chief Burns, I've grown weary of this debate. Your grandfather's ship is now mine.
The expander is going ballistic.
Firebot, assist Dr. Morocco into his submarine.
As commanded.
Unhand me! Oh, Chief Burns, I'll have you up on charges. Do you hear?
That man is not humankind's greatest example.
I don't think we're gonna make it out of range in time.
Vehicle modes, now!
Captain Shaw, 1 more mile and you're in the clear.
Not again.
Oh no.
Oh my. Chase?
I am fine, sir, except for the parts which are immobile.
Cade, Danny, Graham, do you read?
Come on, Heatwave, open up!
Can't. Frozen. Solid.
I think I can move us.
No, don't!
We moved.
Try opening your canopy.
Still stuck. Wait. No. Still stuck.
I don't understand this.
Dad, are you all right? Anybody?
Cody, you are a sight for cold optics.
Just give it a second to work, Chase.
Me next. Cade's overstayed his welcome.
Nice work, Cody.
Oh, you're a lifesaver.
I'd have busted out of there sooner or later.
Did the town get hit?
It's only icy up to the shoreline. Looks like you got the worst of it right here.
Danny, check the Sub-Zero expander while we help Dr. Morocco.
That machine has frozen its last bot.
When I'm warmer, I'll jump for joy.
Now look who abandoned ship.
Well, that means he's all right.
So what now? Drive home or wait for the ice to melt?
Doesn't look very thick. Probably already melting, at least at the outer edges.
Melting? But I saw 4 cars from the ferry driving across the ice back to town.
Can you get there in time?
We're on it. Rescue bots, roll to the rescue.
The ship's breaking loose from the ice field.
Everyone, get to the boat.
taking on water! Don't panic. Make sure your life jackets are secure.
Didn't see that coming.
You are safe now.
Drive carefully. Avoid ice.
Was that?
Yes.
Dr. Morocco actually came to our rescue.
I'm sure he thinks that makes up for everything else he's done.
Still, I never would have guessed that man had a grateful bone in his body.
A grateful bone? Where exactly on a human is that located?
Probably next to the funny bone we've heard about.
The ferry's back, but no sign of the Isolde. Do you think Morocco took her?
Well, chances are. Let's just hope any tech he got away with is too old to be useful. What is it, son?
The portrait that was hanging in the Isolde's cargo hold.
Grandpa Zachary. I haven't looked into that face for a long, long time.
Maybe there's hope for Dr. Morocco yet.
Oh my, just what the doctor ordered.